You can select any actor on your level and press F on your keyboard to quickly go there. When you have found a good place that you want to save, you can press Ctrl and 1 to save a bookmark, and when you go somewhere else you can click the 1 key to take you back there. And it will work with every number key, so from 0 to 9. So you can have in total of 10 bookmarks. The same thing also works on the blueprints, but there is a little difference. So let's save a bookmark with Ctrl and 1. And when we go somewhere else, we have to press Shift and 1 to go back to that bookmark. And it will also work with all the numbers. If you have some objects that you want to move to the ground, for example, you can do it by selecting the object and pressing End key on your keyboard. It will snap it to the closest surface. Did you know that when you need a branch or a sequence, you can quickly add them by B and left click to add a branch and S and left click to add a sequence? Did you also know that if you select these and press C, you can add a comment so you can remember what some part of the code does? If you need to use some node very often, did you know that you can make them as your favorite? So let's get player controller, and if you click this little star next to it, it will be saved as your favorite. So next time you can just search for controller and you can see get player controller comes first. Did you know that by selecting nodes and clicking Ctrl C and Ctrl V, it will copy and paste them? But did you know that you can also click Ctrl and D to duplicate them? If you accidentally delete something, did you know that you can get them back by pressing Ctrl and Z? You can quickly align nodes by selecting them and pressing Q on your keyboard. Did you know that if you promote the condition on the branch to a variable, it will be defaulted as true? Normally it will be false. You can unfocus your mouse by clicking Shift and F1 when you are playing your game. You can select multiple things by keeping Ctrl pressed, but did you know that you can also select something and keep Shift pressed and then click on something else and it will select everything in between? It also works on the outliner. You can temporarily change the pivot point by selecting object, clicking Alt and middle mouse button. Then you can rotate it from the new pivot point. But it will get back after you release. You can permanently change pivot point by selecting something and going to the modeling. Here you will have this pivot. Now you can move it to wherever you want, and when you click accept, it will have the pivot point there. Did you know that if you want to, for example, copy this location, you don't have to copy each of these individually. You can just right click, copy and paste it to wherever you want, like this. Did you know that you can do the same thing also by, for example, selecting this, keeping the shift pressed, right clicking, saving the value. Here, shift and left click to paste the value. And did you know that you can do this with anything on the details? You can copy and paste anything here. But yeah, I actually think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.